So today I'll be talking about how to start your gift card business on the buy sell vouchers. Now this is by far one of the oldest platforms where you can come to buy or sell your gift cards. Now a lot of people have started their businesses on this platform, and today I will share how it works. Now, on this platform, you can come down here to scroll and enjoy the website. Of course, look at how it works. There are several kinds of gift cards here. You can see Spotify, Netflix, Steam, PUBG, and several rewardable gift cards. So a lot of merchants come here to sell gift cards, and some other come here to buy gift cards. Now, before I get started, no part of this video should be considered as financial advice. Now, that is because before you start out any gift card business, you have to learn more about the website, learn how gift card works, and that way you can create more value for your gift cards. All right. So you can see Google Play, Amazon, Fortnite, Nintendo, Netflix, and several gift cards that you could be wanting to trade, wanting to sell, or wanting to buy. So the buy sell vouchers is like a marketplace where you can come here and sell your gift cards. Also, you can come here and still buy your gift cards. All right. So that being said, this video do not promise any guaranteed income because you need to learn more about the business before you get started. So let's get started. I will be using Amazon. So first things first, I'm going to come and type Amazon. So I'm going to be sharing some very simple gift card arbitrage that you can do. So click on Amazon. You can consider starting with Amazon USD. So I'm going to select Amazon, the $100, which is like the value of the gift card, then USD, which is like the currency of the gift card. So here you can see there are four or six, okay, there are six merchants on this platform currently trading Amazon 100 US dollar card. So the first merchant, this is his store. The second merchant, this is his store. Third merchant, this is his store. And of course, there are six merchants trading the Amazon $100 card. All right. So all you have to do is to first of all check out their prices. Okay. I mean, you can come and sell on the buy sell vouchers, or if you want to do your arbitrage business or your gift card business, you can also come here to check out the prices of different merchants store. So on the first area, let's check out the price of this guy. So if I click on his ad, you can see that this guy, he is selling his own Amazon. This is his store. Okay, this is his store. So he's selling his Amazon for 101.97. So definitely people who want to buy gift cards can come and buy from this particular merchant if they like. So you can see the information that this merchant here have sold 3 times. Okay, and he has 69 cards available. So which means I could even get started to buy from him if I need an Amazon gift card. But then if I'm buying this Amazon gift card for the price of 101.97, that means I should be looking out for selling at a better price or at a much more higher price, which leads me to the next merchant. So I also come here to type Amazon 100 USD. So this is the first merchant we saw that is selling at the price of 101.97. Now, meanwhile, I forgot to mention that traders can also buy from one merchant on the buy sell vouchers and resell on buy sell vouchers by creating their own store. So I'm going to click on this other guy. The first person we have seen has an ad of 101.97. All right, so we're going to go straight to the next person, which is this next guy. So the next guy on this area, you can see he still has the Amazon store. He's also selling gift card, but this is his price. He's selling at 97.99 USD, and he has sold 103 times, and definitely he has 18 available. So on this area, you can see this guy is selling more because his own gift card is priced at a lower value. Okay, so you can write down the price on a piece of paper, 97.99. Okay, the first guy is selling at 101.97. The second guy is selling at 97.99. And obviously, the person who is selling cheaper will be selling, selling the most. Okay, Now let's get straight to the next person. I'm going to come here and type Amazon again. You can do this with any gift card, particularly of your choice. So I've checked this person. I've checked this person. Let's get straight to the next guy. So the next guy here is selling at 92.0. So 92.0. So obviously this guy has sold just once and has 6 available. Okay, you can also write it down. All right. Also, you can go down to see their feedbacks and people who have traded with them in the past. So I'm going to also come here after writing down his price. You can come here and type again Amazon 100 USD. So I've checked this guy, check this guy, check this guy. So let's check out this other person. So this particular one has a price of 93.00 USD. It has sold 4 times and it has only one available. So you can write it down 93. The fourth merchant has a price of $93 for his Amazon $100 card. So let's check out the last merchant. Okay, the fifth merchant. Amazon 100 USD. So the fifth merchant, this is his ad. I'm going to click on it. He has a buying price. He's selling for $85. He has 99 available and he has sold just once. So you can write out your $85 price. Okay, so you can see 5 different people have different stores of different prices. So I'm also going to come here and type Amazon. Let's check out the last guy, 100 USD. So this last guy on this area, let's check it out. This last guy, I think it should be, I've completed it, or let me check it again. Amazon 100 USD. Okay, looks like these two guys are the same. So you can understand that different merchants have different prices. So the first guy is selling at 101.9. This one is selling at 97. This one is selling at 92. This one is selling at 93. And this one is selling at 85. All right. So apparently, since you have understood that this is how they work, you can now navigate your arbitrage. And of course, if you are considering to do your gift card arbitrage with Amazon, then you can consider buying from the merchant which has the lowest price. For example, this particular merchant has a price of 85. Arbitrage traders normally would buy from them at the price of 85, and then they will proceed to sell to sell at a higher price, just like this guy. To sell your own gift card, you don't just need to you just need to create an account and post your own gift card for sale. You can see this particular guy may have purchased from one of the merchants still on BuySell vouchers selling at a lower value. So here he has sold 3 times, 69 available. Now this doesn't mean that you're going to sell all your cards in a day. It can take you some weeks, it can take you some months to sell all your cards. Also, you can buy from other platforms and come on the BuySell vouchers to sell. To create an account, you can come on this area, you can log in and register to create your account, and you can post your own gift card. When you buy from other platform to this place to sell, you can post your own gift card and you appear like this. Also, instead of buying from other platforms, you can come here and buy from your competitors that are selling at much more lower prices. You can still resell on the buy sell vouchers. Okay, and also apart from that, you can keep your gift cards. There are times where gift cards can be scarce, and then definitely you can make it available. To start creating your own account or to start selling, you can come here to click on sell. You follow the different steps and you'll be able to sell. Now to sell is very simple. You have to create an account first of all, log in. It's just like your Bybit P2P. You can create an ad to sell. Now you don't need to pay or drop any security deposit. It's actually for free, and you'll be able to create your account. Now I've used the buy sell vouchers as an example, but you can use I've used Amazon as an example, but you can use Steam also. So let me use Steam 100. Let me just use Steam 100 USA. Now the reason why I prefer using a USA is because It's the one that is widely has more wider use. So this first person, I can click on this guy, and he's selling at 107.92. Okay, you can see he has sold 264 times, and he has 780 available. Steam gift card is likely one of the most gift cards that have more traffic. Okay, I'm going to go again. Steam 100 USA. The first one have 107.9. You can write it down. And second guy, let's click on it. Second guy is selling at 101.6. So 107, 101. So merchants can consider buying from merchant from traders who have lower selling price. And this one is 107. The other guy is 101. The profit margin is $6 or $7. Okay, $6 or maybe $5 if you do the maths correctly. Maybe between $5 or $6 because this one is at 101. The other guy is at 107. Okay, and it is selling really. This amount is 2,455 sold, and just 23 available. So let's check out for one more. Steam 100 USA. So let's get to this one, and let's see. It is about 98. This one is 77 times sold, and available is 9. So guys, I think you must have gotten the ideas here, and definitely you can come to the merchant area down to this place, and you can see that sometimes there are feedbacks that are not going to be cool. So whoever person you want to buy from or trade with, you can come to check out their feedbacks. For example, you can see this particular guy has 3 disputes opened. So this guy, 1 dispute, second dispute, and third dispute. Now these are the risks attached, because once you've seen that this person has 3 different disputes opened on 3 different days, then you have to understand that you don't need to do business with this particular guy. And that is the reason why some of them have very low times they have sold. Okay, even though they have been selling, but they have low times. So the risks here are that you can also meet people who are going to waste your time, or people who just want to take your money. Okay, but then you have to always be checking out for their feedbacks, and particularly look at people with higher amount of time sold and much more positive review. So guys, I'll be leaving you here. Do have a very wonderful day. You can come down on the comment area and let me know what you think about the buy sell vouchers. Apart from the arbitrage feature here, you can come here to do your own business. There's for gaming, there's brand, there's also all gift cards where you can choose from. And irrespective of the country you're watching from, you can create an account, and that works well. For now, I'll see you on another one, guys. Do have a very wonderful day.